What's going on, yo?
What's going on?
King Jizzle, Young El Pacino, Young Hustler, Chicken Jizzle, King Jizzle, 7-5, y'all. We about to smash y'all. Check it out, y'all.
Check it out, y'all. Yeah, like my man King G just said, it's the underground shit. Yo, with the underground shit, GBB on the mix, baby.
GBB, bitch, I'm so high, even if you try, just cry. I will never die. Aim, blood, a crib, shorty, lose your hip. Never get catch slip, no bad trip. I still breathe for the hood, that's what you should. Pray to God, motherfucker, that you ever could. I still struggle every day to eat. Fuck weed, real money and homies, that's all what I need. I'm in love with the only one. Touch your pong and you can smell smoke from my gun. Few friends are real with time, it's up. Real I will be to my last blood drop. Every day I live on the border of death. I can only thank God for every single breath. I thank Him for everything I fucking have. God bless my mother, brother and sister and dad. I'm a sinner, I got myself to blame. The devil's made my name, yeah that's black of shame. In hell I will burn, why can't I turn? God, is this what I fucking earn? You need to shoot to make a motherfucking proof. You need to shoot to count money on the roof. You need to get close and shut them down. Let them know GBB, we own this town. You crying and pleasing, make your fucking nuts freeze. You ain't Superman cause you smoke blue cheese. Look at me now, I'm grown so much. The pussies can't reach me, I'm out of touch. I'm just waiting till my game goes on. To make my way to the top with my gun. Gun makes people paralyzed, make them freeze. Click clack, and they're down on their knees, yeah. GBB bitch, GBB bitch, GBB bitch, yeah.
I got the West Coast flavor, low. What the fuck you thought? King G would never choke. When it comes to smoke, freestyle rockin', yo. We got it poppin', yo. Non-stop rhymes, keep it hot in the studio. So what a hater like you got to say? Nothing, motherfucker, cause I do it my way. Okay, get it right. My mic is my weapon, the beat is my ride. I'ma get you by second, check it. Word Master G, but you put your own place. For days, you wish you my place, but I'm on another level, just check my position. A king on a mission, similar magician, the spirit of a fighter, fighting Rottweilers. I bet you would say was a rough rider. I passed right by ya, your boy's on fire. 20 years from now, I still won't retire.
Al Pacino on the mic, chilling like a scarecrow, looking for some brain. Driving in the Range, flying on the brain. Her head is so crazy, so she's still the same. She know the game, get in and get right. Every pitch in the ends, they wanna rock my mic. Tough like G, I'm hot like light. I don't fuck with those hoes, cause them hoes might bite. Take a real long toke, hit him with the gun smoke. Now I'm a grown man, I'm fighting new man. Nigga got my own plan, I got cock 4-5. I kick life to survive, make niggas die while I'm getting high. Nigga drop the bomb, let the whole world know we take the dope.
Hell yeah, cause we out for that dough, y'all. Been broke for a goddamn long time now. About to make some money, yeah. Yo, I'm the opposite of you, why you claim to be an MC? Stop being flashy while you driving in a Bentley. You roll out but sold out. You little rich motherfucker, you a po-po lover, a little snitch motherfucker. And I'm the mastermind, a fast to find. Just smash you like hash and grinders. I'm a top dog with underrated intelligence. I move quicker, the crew bigger than elephants. Self-defense is what I call it. When I beat your ass like I'm an alcoholic. Bottoms up bitch, cause I'm sick with the liquor. I spit shit specifically quicker when I get on my own 2 feet. You better watch out. King G and Chicken Chain, you better watch out. GBB in the game, better watch out. And if you see us in the streets, you better watch out.